Today in this video, we are gonna show you how to fix your Roku if it's not turning on. We are going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. Method 1. First, connected your Roku to your TV. You connected it to one of the HDMI ports. See which one it's connected to, like HDMI 1, HDMI 2, etc. Then go get your TV remote. Now this is the remote for your TV, not your Roku. Press the input button on the TV remote, then check which input the TV is currently set to make sure it's set to the one that the Roku is connected to. If it's not set to the Roku port, change it. Then see if your Roku now turn on. If it's not clear the problem, then let's go on the next try. Method 2. The next solution involves locating the reset button or hole on your Roku. Some Rokus, it's just a little hole, it's labeled reset. You're gonna need to push something in there to perform this procedure. Usually, take a paper clip, just bend it, unplug your Roku device from the wall, wait about 60 seconds, plug it back in, then go either push the reset on the Roku or use the paper clip to push through the little reset button in the hole and hold it there at reset for 30 seconds. Release it and your Roku should be back in action. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.